Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of the Williamhousenft NFT podcast. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can make an NFT project from the first step to the very last step. I charge thousands of dollars for this advice. People come to me, ask me questions. How do I make an NFT project? What do I do in this situation? What do I do here? Why is this not working? Why did this suddenly work? So if you really want to learn how to create an NFT project, then listen in to this episode. We're going to start with number one. Number one is a plan. You're going to have to plan every single little detail that you want in your NFT project. You're going to have to go from planning the colors you want in your art, to the utility you want, to the roadmap, to who you want to sell to, what platforms do you want to be on. You're going to want to have to even think about how are you going to get the word out to people? Like, are you going to tell your friends? Are you going to get them to make content for you as well? So, number one is the plan. I would say number one's pretty important just to get a rough idea. But, I mean, in the whole context of things, as long as you have a good idea in your head, then you can probably focus on steps 3 and onwards. Now, step 2 is the art. Step 2 is pretty important because you need art to be able to make a fantastic NFT project. However, creating the art can be difficult. Now, let's just say you are stuck and you're like, how do I even create NFT art? Well, what you can do is you can go onto Photoshop, you can go onto Canva, and what you're going to want to do is create something called an accessory. So I want you to get a piece of paper right now. I'm going to get one right now. And what we're going to do is plan an NFT art, for example. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to write down the types of accessories that you want. So I might write down that my base picture might be a human. So I'm going to write that down. I'm just going to, draw a face and a stick figure. I'm just going to draw a stick figure with the legs and the 2 arms. So we have a little stick figure. Now, I might want to think about what color will the eyes be. So I want to make an accessory. So I'm going to make the eyes. So then you're going to want to create different types of eyes. Okay. Now listen, you want to create lots of different colors of the eyes, but you want all of them to be in the same place. This is going to be hard to understand, but what I want you to do is look at your piece of paper. You've drawn the stick figure, you've drawn the face, and you see how the eyes are always on towards the upper part of the face. What you want to do is really make sure you keep the eyes there every time you create a new color. So all you need to do is go to Photoshop or go to Canva, create your first eye in the same position, and then save it, and then maybe you make the eye blue. So you go and change the color to blue. Then what you want to do is change the color to green. Obviously you download it again, and then you go red, download it, and blue, download it, yellow, and maybe you create 10 or 11 different colors. And then you're like, okay, the eyes are there, cool, I've got the stick figure, and now you want to make a nose. Maybe you want to make a nose. So maybe the nose is like a triangle. So obviously the nose on a normal face will go in the middle of the face. So obviously you go on Canva or Photoshop and you make the nose in the position that you want it. Then maybe you save that nose as, maybe it's the color orange. You save it. Then you just change the color to yellow and save it again, and do red, blue, gold, bronze, silver, etc. Then maybe we want a face, so I'll just draw, a smile. So let's say we just draw a little smile. Again, make a smile bronze, make it gold, all the different colors that you want. And maybe that's all you want for your stick figure. Maybe you just want one stick figure with a pair of eyes, a nose, and a face. And a smile. That's completely fine. You're going to probably be a bit confused right now and go, where do I save everything? What you want to do is create a folder on your computer and name it NFT art. Then you're going to make another folder called stick figure. You're going to put that stick figure in there, the one you've downloaded. Then you're going to want to make another folder called eyes, nose, and smile. and then put all the different colors and different mouths or smiles in each of the folders. So say if you've got 12 different colors for the eyes, put all of them in the eyes folder, etc. for the nose, and then the smile. Now that's your art. That's your art there. What you're going to want to do, okay, is go to an NFT art generator, have a look one up. Then you're going to want to click on one, and it's going to be able to let you add layers. So when I say add layers, it's going to let you add the stick figure, and it's going to let you add the eyes, and it's going to let you add the nose, and then add the smile, along with all the different colors. And then once you've uploaded that, you can actually generate your art. And it's going to ask you for percentages. And you're like, Will, what's percentages? What the percentages are is that you can actually choose the rarity of each color. So say you're making 100 NFTs. Maybe only one of those NFTs has a bronze smile with a bronze eye with the gold nose, and that is your rarest NFT. And then the rest, maybe they all have a common green eye or something like that. So you're going to want to set the percentages on what you want the rarest sort of art to be like. Then download all that art, okay? And then there's your art. Next, a roadmap. Get a new piece of paper, alright? And we are going to write down roadmap. So write down roadmap. Now what I want you to do is I want you to write down the numbers 1 all the way through to 10. So I'm doing that now. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I want you to write down 10 goals that you want to hit with your project. So maybe the first one is, I want to make 100 NFT art. So you write that down. 100 NFT art. That's step 1. And then that's goal 1. Then maybe goal 2 is get 1,000 people get 1,000 Instagram followers for my project. So you write down 1,000 followers for a project. Then what you want to do is continue going all the way down to 10. So if I was doing my own project, I'd go, all right, I want to get my 100 NFT art by, so it's the 30th, what are we in, the 30th of August today? Maybe by the 8th of September. 8th of September, I want to hit that first goal. Boom. 8th of September comes around, tick, I've hit it. Boom. Maybe the 1,000 followers by the 30th of September. I'm like, yep, I've hit that. And then maybe my next roadmap is I want to have some of my utility. So I want to have all my utility done and ready by the 22nd of September. So I write down utility done by 22 September. So what the roadmap is it gives you an idea. It gives your audience an idea that yes, you actually hit some of your goals, and that is very important for people to take into consideration buying in your NFT project. Because if you don't show them that you can actually have credibility and hit goals, they're not going to want to join your community. So roadmap, 100. I've written here 100 NFT art, 1,000 followers for project, utility done. And you can continue that yourself. Now, I'm going to move on to step 4, which is utility. If at any stage you get confused, just chuck me a message on Instagram and I'll definitely help you. So I'd love to help you guys. Now, let me rip that off. I'm going to do step 4, utility. Utility is anything that adds benefits your audience to want to join your NFT project. So if I can word that better for you, think of this. When your audience buys your NFT, they buy your art, what other benefits do they get? Now, if I am to create my own project and you are to create your own NFT project, you're going to want to give them some utility, some reasons. So maybe the first one is they get exclusive membership. to your Discord, where they get to exclusively talk to other people that have bought your NFT as well. Now, number 2, maybe you have an event each month and their NFT acts as access to that event. So, event access. Maybe number 3 is maybe you're a day trader and you mentor maybe 1,000 traders. Maybe you have 50 NFTs and only the ones that can really afford it buy your NFT, and then they get exclusive one-on-one trading sessions with you. So we'll say one-on-one training sessions. Now, what you'll notice is when they look to buy your NFT, say you're selling it for $200 US. If your membership is worth $1,000 a year, then it's a no-brainer for them to buy your NFT for $200 because they're thinking to themselves, "Oh my god, this is $800 cheaper than just buying the membership." So you got to remember, you've got to give them amazing value. And just a little side note, that's why NFTs aren't doing very well at the moment, is simply because people aren't giving good value and any reasons to buy them except for the art. And as we all know, no one buys NFT art anymore. So you've got to have utility to back it up. So I want you to now keep thinking about what utility you can have for your NFT project. Now I'm going to rip that page off and we are going to move to social media. Now, social media is very important for NFT creation. Now, I'm going to give you the amount of times you need to post. I'm going to give you the platforms to post on. And then we'll see how we go with that. So, amount of posts you need to do. Write this down. You must do 7 posts a week. Okay. You must do 14 reels a week. And you must do 2 long form videos. So they can consist of a podcast episode and a YouTube episode. Because with those 2 long form pieces of content, that might be 8 minutes and 15 minutes, they then create your 14 reels. Okay? So without doing a single thing, you've created 14 reels a week just by doing your 2 long form pieces of content. And the way you can make those long form pieces of content into reels and shorts to go on TikTok and Instagram reels by doing absolutely nothing is by using AI. Now, I have an AI tool that I use, and I want you to note this down. It's called Opus AI. Simply post your long form videos on YouTube, copy the YouTube link, make an account on Opus AI for free, paste the link into Opus AI, and depending on how long your long form video is, it will generate shorts and reels and for you. So that's what I use. Now, you're thinking, alright, this is a lot of knowledge. It's a bit overwhelming, but that's totally alright. Next, what you want to do is create your platforms and your accounts that you're going to post on. Now, you're going to want to make it your NFT account or a personal account. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's very clear it's for your NFT project. You're going to want to do Instagram. Write this down. Instagram. You're going to want to do Twitter. You're going to want to do Facebook. You are going to want to do TikTok. And of course, YouTube. If you find any other social medias that benefit you, and I haven't said them, please DM me. That would be lovely to know. But these are what I do. Now, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, they are definitely where you can post. Okay, posts. Then you've got YouTube for your long form content. And for your Reels, you must use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. There for the Reels. Alright, that is social media. Number 6. Don't have to note this down because number 6 isn't, you don't have to do it, but it's called promotion. Promotion is where you can actually pay NFT calendars to promote your NFT project, therefore getting you 200 to 300 people on your project. Now, I hope this has benefited you. I have not included really in-depth things like how to create a Discord, how to create a YouTube channel in particular, because I think these are things that you can figure out. But if you would like some help, just message me. I'm more than happy to help you. My Instagram is Williamhousenft, and I love hearing all your thoughts. Also, if you want to listen to any other podcasts, any other episodes of mine, they're all on Spotify, they're all on YouTube, and just message me if you have any questions. Thank you.